Hello children, welcome to 8th English class. Children, in the previous class we are in the supplementary part, that is First Woman in a Space, where we have seen a very good and well-known character, that was Valentina Tereskova. She was the first lady cosmonaut. She was the first lady cosmonaut who took journey to a space. To entire world, she was the first lady who took her journey as a cosmonaut. And not only that, we have seen as a woman basically from the poor family, the problem that she has come across, and her father who died in the first phase of a First World War. Later on, the responsibility of the family came on her hand, while earning in one side. She has completed her education as a climbing a parachute or riding of a parachute, that she has completed. Not only that, we also seen that as a lady she has working along with her mother, as well as she worked in a tire factory to survive or to sustain her family. Okay, then she was completed her education. Okay, what was her education? As I told, she was very quick in learning parachute jumping. That was the training that she was got. Seeing the parachute jumping training, she has got offer for the higher education as a scholarship, we can say. She got the chance over there for the further education, and she got to ride a rocket or a spaceship. That was also training she got. And when compared to her senior, she was the first one who was recognized for her talent. She was recognized and she was selected as a cosmonaut. She was selected as a first cosmonaut, and for her work, she was recognized by the senior. Not only that, the people were jealous about her because she was a junior. Okay, as a junior, she was selected as a cosmonaut in front of her senior. That created jealous also, but she ignored all the things and she remained as a simple common woman and continued her journey. And that was her first takeoff when it was took place. It was the proudest moment in her life when she talked from the outer space to millions of her fellow men on the earth about her thrilling experience. Crowd of people all over the world simply danced for joy when they heard that Mrs. Valentina was going around the globe, feeling excited at an altitude of 113 to 144 miles from the earth. When she took a flight as a cosmonaut, people one who are on the earth, they started to feel proud on her, especially the women, because she was the first woman who selected as a cosmonaut. So all our people started to feel, and they expressed their gratitude when she has first sent a message to Earth from the cosmonaut when she was in a space, and she reported about the space weather or the condition or the atmosphere or the causes which they are to journey, that she was narrated, and she explained at present how was the situation over there. Hearing that, people were very happy and they are excited towards Valentina. Then from those heavenly heights, she saw the cloud covered the earth, and the time she could recognize the landscape too. See, she'll explain her experience from a space. She explained that how the clouds covered the earth. You know, the layer of the atmosphere, isn't it children? There we have seen that on the which layer the clouds were, we can see. From there, she used to see that the cloud used to cover the earth. Okay, and the landscape in the sense as the land was covered from the water, and small part of the land we can get to see. All are beautiful things that she has seen from the height. Okay, then not only that, a river Volga looked beautiful from the outer space, though she had seen it even on the earth. Look at that. See, she described that the river Olga looked very beautiful, but for me it looked more beautiful on the earth. In the sense, from seeing the river from the space, it is beautiful. Obviously, it is beautiful, but it is more beautiful when I see that river directly in front of me, so that I can touch it, I can feel it. From top, what you can do, we can only experience, whereas here I can touch and I can feel it. She felt quite normal even while going at that unimaginable speed. As usual, she felt hungry. She ate well and slept well and even sang a song. So, like common deed on earth, we will eat, we will sleep, we will have fun, okay, like that only. They too, she felt hungry, she had whatever she took, and there also she slept well, okay. While they remained in the spaceship, speeding round and round the earth for the 3 days. So, the spaceship, it used to take the earth, take a round of earth for a 3 days, okay, 3 days continuously. That spaceship used to took a round of earth, and thus she showed to the world that woman has better stamina and endurance than a man. See, 3 days she remained in a spaceship, okay. She reported on the earth whatever she get to see. With this, she proved that she was equally competent, she was equally capable to men, okay. She was not just having a joy flight during those 3 days. She had a lot to do, making a observation, jotting down the notes in her book and sending a news to the earth. See, she will tell that if you think that she is enjoying on a spaceship, observing cloud, river, if you think that she is enjoying on the spaceship, then that is wrong, because she had many work to do there. What was that? She used to observe each and every observation, and that she has to make a note down, and after that she has to send the report to earth, okay. And while returning to the earth, she stressed the ship herself very well and landed by the parachute in Soviet Central Asia. So, after 3 days of her journey, she has to come back, okay. You know that as the spaceship take a flight, the same way it doesn't come down, it is not an aeroplane, right? Because that is a rocket, we can send it back but we cannot get it back. So, they have to land it with the help of a parachute. So, the first training of the Valentina was flight of a parachute, in the sense how to ride, how to take off a parachute and how to land it, everything before only she learned, isn't it? That was her primary education. So, after 3 days of her journey, she took off a parachute and she landed on a Soviet Central area. She came down quite safely, except hurting her nose little while landing, right? So, it is not so easily land, children, okay? When she took up a parachute to land on the earth, it will come and fall directly. Don't land you so smoothly like a flower, isn't it? You don't land like a smooth flower. So, while landing a parachute, she was safe, okay? Her physical appearance was safe, except her nose was little damaged. But she did not care to take notice of it, but she ignored whatever hurt that she got on her nose, she ignored, okay. On being asked about her flight, she said smiling brightly. So everybody asked her, how was your journey, whether you enjoyed, how was it? And she replied that, you probably know the saying, it is very nice to be a guest, but it is always better at home. So she says that, what was the saying? See, we can be a guest, okay? We can be a guest in somebody's house, it will be good for 1 or 2 days, not more than that. Isn't it, children? We can enjoy somebody's house or anybody's house for 2 or 3 days, not more than that. After that, what will happen? They started to hate us, they started to feel us like a burden. So, that I enjoyed there like a guest, but I feel good at my own home, which is own house. That was a house, land. Okay, earth. The earth is a own house where she says that I am better at my own house. Okay, it is very nice to be guest, but it is always better at home. When I landed, I felt joy at being at home again. So when I landed on a land, I felt like, okay, I'm back to my home. Okay, she was very happy over her success in an experiment. I was to test on one hand, while other women could also stand the rigorous and strain of rocket flight, and on the other hand, the weightlessness. So she explained that I have seen the two faces of a woman. What was that? One is that I can tolerate, I can able to take a responsibility of a flight as well as a family. I'm capable to take a responsibility of my family as well as very weightful rocket. Okay, when the rocket is to take up, it has lot of weight. So the responsibility is my hand to take up that rocket to the particular place. Okay. Another side, even I have seen weightlessness in the sense you have to come back to a land with the help of a parachute. That is a weightlessness, right? You are floating in the air. So that I have seen the two phases of my journey also. Valentina was not just strong and fit, but also soft and nice. Qualities of women. So she was very strong and hard, but also she have a good qualities of women. She was interested in music and literature. She loved reading more than anything else. She loved a happy and quiet home life too. So see, we know her like a cosmonaut, but at the same time, she loved to be a housewife. She liked a quiet home life also. Okay. And Valentina's space flight will be recorded in the history of a civilization as one more trend of the human spirit, her pride in the pride of all mankind. So, the record that the Valentina has done, it will be remarkable in the history of a human civilization. Okay, because when the civilization comes, we will refer it as a whatever properties of a civilization we will get to see, which are there. We may get to see their art and architecture, right? We may get to see few sources where we can describe as a part of a history. Like that only when in future days, suppose in future days children, if we are referring the present civilization, then we can give Valentina's example as a source to tell that in those days people used to took place journey to a spaceship. So that was the record which was done by the Valentina, isn't it? Because see, we can say that during those days we had a trade link with the Asian as well as a European country, because there was a proof to show that there was a trade link. But if suppose in future days we are referring about today's civilization, then we can say, keeping an example of Valentina, we can say that during these days also we have a record of a space journey, and that was a record made by the Valentina, isn't it children? So here our lesson ends. Okay, the supplementary part, that was first woman in space, it is completed. So here you will get to see very encouraging character, that is Valentina. So as a woman, she proved that like a man, even we are capable to achieve the things. Okay, everything is possible even in the hands of a woman. That has been proved by the Valentina. Okay, I hope you like the class, you like the lesson. You read for the better understanding children. I will meet you in the class children. Till then, take care.